Hello viewers, welcome to End Semester. Today I am going to talk about the most trending job opportunities from 2021. This is damn sure from 2021 these are going to be the jobs which will be evergreen. So for salary will be up to 12 lakhs is the minimum I am saying. Maximum depends upon your experience and your talent, how far you can perform in the job. So let's start the show. First thing is the project management professional. What is the minimum qualification, salary, position, everything I am going to explain you in detail. Before going into that, on the right top side, you can just see Harin Tata is saying trying to manage a project without project management is like trying to play a football game without a game plan. So this is the main motto of project management if you want to be a professional in that. So the positions in the project management you can see is the project initiator, planner, and executor. The average salary for this is 25 lakhs per annum. Unbelievable. Skills required are team management. You have to do strategy and logical thinking. Qualification is BTech, BSc, BCom. See, minimum graduation and any postgraduate is eligible to just have this job as their professional. And experience is good news is freshers and experienced both are eligible for this job. Certification, many online courses are there which are for free to get a certificate. Even you can get a certificate in the post graduation diploma like universities like Central University or Annamala University or Madras University. Next profession is data analyst and data science, the most trending job nowadays. Irrespective of qualification, irrespective of experience, you can see the right top corner, the job 21st century. According to Harvard Business School, it is the most trending job you can see. And the information or the data is day by day increasing a lot, so that you need, that is people like you are needed for the organizations, any organization. Don't think of only MNCs. Even a normal organization is very much eager to take the freshers and experience because the data is more. The average salary for this data analyst is 18 lakhs 22,000 per annum. Positions you can expect after this is business analytics, data analytics, R&D, and financial. And skills required for this is statistical knowledge, MS Excel, and logical thinking. And qualification, this is as usual like your project management, like any graduate can do this and any postgraduate can is eligible to do the data analyst job. And experience is freshers or experienced, and qualification or certification you can get it from many online courses. Next one is digital marketing. I already have done a video on the digital marketing. You can just go through the link and you can just check it out. The average salary for the digital marketing person is 60 lakhs per annum, irrespective of the qualification. So that is the reason why here I haven't specified any qualification. From the graduate, any person can do this professional job. I am talking about a professional job. So average salary for this is 16 lakhs per annum. Positions are mobile marketing, web developer, social media. So the positions I am talking about is in a organization, corporate organization. You can go this and you can opt for any of the position. Qualification and skills required for this is internet knowledge, network, and logical thinking. Any fresher or any experienced person is required for this job. So you know the very well known person Bill Gates, what he is saying is, if I would be given a chance to start all over again, I would choose network marketing. He is into IT business, but he wants to have a network marketing. You can just imagine the amount or money you can just gain by having a digital marketing as your profession. And next one is a marketing analyst or market intelligent analyst. Everybody are intelligent, but whenever we are marketing any product, they need some intelligence in that. So you can't just sell any product without talking or without explaining about that product. The positions in this are search engine and optimization, paper link, content marketing. So whatever the YouTube you are doing, any person you are doing, it is a content marketing concept. And social marketing analyst, all your Amazon, Flipkart, it is a social marketing. And average salary you can earn is 13 lakhs 60,000 per annum. Skills are just minimum skills, that is, if you have to know how to operate the web, or you need to know how to communicate with the other person and make that product a good product in the market. And qualification is MBA, BTech and MTech. Courses, you have to do the course which is known as business intellect certification. This is the certification required if you want to get a job in the any marketing organizations as a market intelligent analyst. And this is also a free course which you can available in Harvard Business School courses or Oxford free courses. You can just go through. And next one is a chartered accountant. Students or any person, what I want to say is, don't waste your time in going and studying more other certificates. Once you complete your graduation, or once you complete your post graduation, just kindly opt for a chartered accountant certification. It is a job which you can earn money by sitting at home doing the accountings, or you can go for a company and be a internal auditor. It is unbelievable salary you can earn if you work in any organization. It is 75 lakhs per annum, and lowest is 5 lakhs. So minimum 5 lakhs you will get. Positions are, you can be an internal auditor, external auditor and auditing head. Skills are, you need to have a accounting knowledge, MS Excel, Tally, SAP and FICO or Oracle. So these are the advanced technical certifications you need to have if you want to be a chartered accountant for any company, or if you want to have your own consultancy. Qualification is from 10th to any higher education. Experience, freshers or experienced. And certification is, you need to have a certification from Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. See from the if you see the right hand side, the more you learn, the more you earn. So especially for this chartered accountant position, how much you learn, how that much you can earn. In the sense, the way how accounts are being segregated, or the way how you are reducing your expenses for your company or any other's company, the more you are saving. So this is the beauty of this chartered accountant job. So lastly I want to say is, every person who has talent definitely will get a job, but it is your choice that how you want to see yourself. That is what this image saying. What matters most is how you see yourself. If you don't feel that you don't have any communication skills, you don't have any certifications, try to earn one certificate of any of these positions. Definitely you can earn more and you can live happily. So stay safe, stay happy. Thank you for this opportunity.